Got bags and hawks. Here. Oh, so cute!
My box is from the toys.
Hmm?
The box from the toys. It's so pretty. Look at Santa Claus.
Nice.
Wow, look at that cup. Gingerbread.
Huh?
Gingerbread.
Ah. What's that?
Reindeer.
Alright, so this is a cute panda bracelet. You can open it.
Open?
Yeah. Open it. Make it straight. Like that. Okay, and then you do it like this. Ready? Ready, go. Oh, you do it yourself. Okay. There you go. Oh, this one is so sweet. Grandpa and Grandma. Hello.
Nice, I'm here.
Oh. What's that?
A mirror.
Alright, so we've got the, I don't know the name, but I think the name is BMO. Okay, that's BMO, and this is Jake the dog.
Look at this.
What? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, cutie. BMO. Oh, this is cute. Squishy, squishy. Oops. Some journals. Some pens. Oh, cute.
Come on. Right here. Oh, it's so beautiful.
This one's nice. Sure.
Bili ba ako nagpalit ato?
Hi.
You're so nice and beautiful.
I guess these are cactuses. Yeah.
Ow! It hurts. Ow!
It's so cute. Can you see? Oh. How about this one? Oh.
Oh, I'll do like this again. Ouchie.
What's that? Show the stars. Oh. Stars. And pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple and a banana.
And banana.
Hide it.
And broccoli.
Okay,
And eggplant.
I will open my banana, guys.
Open it. Tring! We've got some stuff from We Bear Bears.
I want this one because I like it.
And another one from Adventure Time.
Adventure
Adventure Time.
Time?
And some cute purse.
And I
We have
want
owl.
this one. I want this one because I like it.
Cherry. Oh, this one's nice. Let me see. And this one too is nice. Cute. So you can choose whatever mouse you like and some phones. What's that?
Wow, I'll show you. Come here. Look at that.
Sequin bags.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm into this
So
bag.
you can do that.
I need this bag. Need this bag.
And some bags with handkerchief.
Yeah, you have one.
And some girly stuff.
Rolling stuff.
No, over here ba? Oh, this one has something in here in the inside. Can you see that? It's moving.
Whoa, it's a flower.
Yeah, it's a flower.
I saw a flower.
Hydrating toner.
Look at that, I saw a flower.
It says lavender.
And a perfume. Watermelon perfume.
Oh.
Watermelon perfume. Look at this guy.
It's not doing anything.
And we have a watermelon. Look, I have watermelon.
Let me see watermelon. Watermelon.
And also grapes, apple, orange.
Smells good. This one smells good. I love this. And this one has, oh, there's a real flower inside. It is, I don't know what's this. Got some cute things right here for Huh? Alright, so this is the basement. Yeah. Here you go. Ooh. Go ate. Oo, ayun. So guys, pinagalitan kami doon sa Miniso? Mumuso? Or pinagalitan kami. Bawal daw mag-take ng videos. But it's too late. We took the videos na. Char. We're gonna go home na, so we're gonna look for a car.
Bye.
Wait. Mama, where's the car? Alright, there's the car. Sure. Gonna be inside the car. So, since hindi automatic ang car namin, so I just need to do that. Okay. Wow, bugnaw pa. Oh. Ayun. Ito ko ma. Wait lang ma. Alright, so we're inside the car na, and this is how it is with DJI with low light. Low light. Okay, Mamani's driving.
Mommy Outing's
And,
channel.
oh.
Channel?
Because Mommy Outing wants
So
a
I'm
channel, right?
really praying that we're gonna get the
Teka lang.
G7X Mark II again. Hopefully may magbigay sa akin this Christmas kasi yung akin ay
Close the window.
Teka, hindi tayo makakita.
okay. So
Why not?
wait lang, I need to get the ano muna, the seat belts. Wait lang. Okay.
Gawas din.
Wala man. Go. We're going out.
Car. Look.
Manning's driving.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh, there's a car in front of us. Lang. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Manning's driving.
Yeah.
Bye! Isa lang.
Oh, so this is the basement parking of SM Lanang.
It's unang kayo outside.
Is
Saan
open.
tayo mag...
Christmas tree in Ayala. Wala sila Christmas tree, Christmas lights lang.
Kinakagay pag Christmas tree ang...
Mo ni ma?
Ako antang ko anon.
Alright, so mo ni ang Christmas lights. Ay, di maklaro to ba? Almost home, but it's very rainy.
Ah, sorry.
Oh no.
Sarap lang no.
It's so raining. It's raining. Raining so hard. I can't see myself. Oh no, it's raining. Should be there.
Nakita kasada.
Wala na.
Sana kasada ka rin.
Uh-oh.
Ano ay kusugod sa baha ko.
Ha?
Ano kusugod sa baha ko.
Ba, day?
Oh, baha kayo.
Ba ba?
Ayan, CS3 bills.
Oh, it's thunder and lightning. Oh my gosh.
Lord, ayun tani pa ka bondang uwan, Lord.
This is my new school.
It's thunder and lightning. Alright, so we're home. And it's still raining. Crust view. Right. As you can see, meron tayong mga karatula sa gilid. Karatula ba tawagan ang mga flyers. So we're almost home. Signage, yeah. Here's our guardhouse right here. Mama's gonna say hi.
Ulan kaya.
Okay. So let's go. Okay, so we're almost here and we can see the multi-cap of Mama Annie. Over there.
Dami akong gift sa'yo.
Gift to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's
So
so
the house is there.
I-open.
why?
Christmas na.
Christmas?
Ay, taong sulit.
I don't know.
No.
Alright. So we are home and it's still raining outside. So we are deciding if we're gonna come out or no.
You use my bag.
No.
Use my.
What are you gonna do, Mamianing?
You can use my dress.
Na,
No, use it. Why?
ka mag-init tao, champorado.
Jump around in a rainy day.
Temperado.
Ew.
Te, may payong dyan, te.
Two.
Mom!
Dalawa payong.
Hey, Mom, it's me.
Hey!
Dalawa
Kami
payong.
ay lalabas
Dalawa pa.
na.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Oh, ginaw ko, ginaw.
Alright, so we are here's the house. And we're gonna show you our Christmas tree behind me.
Ayaw,
Look.
wala na, te.
Oops.
Ano, te, be?
Wait.
Iyon, pagod ka na kung.
What?
Alright, so that's the Christmas tree.
Ay, ano da, charge doon. Wow.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Okay, wala. Kuha pa si Kungkung.
Where is it?
Alright, so let's find
Where is it?
some, so that's
Where's the
my
pirate?
family,
Where's
Yan,
me?
yan, yan, yan,
my
yan.
sister, and that's me.
Pagpapit ka dito, te.
Uh-huh.
Rihanna. Pagpapit sa
Okay, so let's find some food.
Ako na lang gabi magpapit dito, bili ko gusto na. Panti na ka.
Naglali sila, mama.
Ayun, nagiging mga tao maaari dali mo.
Okay, so what is swak pack? Okay, so let's find some back here. I don't like. Oh, we have some noodles and ay wala na tayong macaroni man oh. Na pasta ma. Okay. Okay, so guess what this is. So we've got some things right here. All cellophane. Sorry guys, cellophane. What's this? Pan. So kanina lang yun. This is the shawarma yesterday, and I got some. This is pakwan. And I will be heating kungkung's sisig meal from, I don't know.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, from 7-Eleven because kungkung loves sisig. So sisig and
Yan.
shawarma for us tonight?
Shamar.
Shawarma for dinner. Okay. Right, so mamaning. Oh, that's a champorado.
What do I see?
Okay, so we're gonna put the sisig busog meal in there. So I'm gonna open this microwave. Put something in. Just put in 3 minutes. Hello, sisig. Okay, so this is the chicken boti masala. Ooh. So I will reheat that one and put it there. And okay, so this is the sweet paratha. So I will reheat that as well. Matigas na siya, but it's okay. I can still eat it. And this is the chicken shawarma from yesterday. So I will reheat that as well. Together with the paratha. So this is my dinner. Na yun, nag-party ba? Feeling po siguro niya pista. Okay. So, siguro mga 2 minutes lamang. Let's say 3 minutes. While waiting for the food, Kungkung will fold a towel.
Just watch me.
Watch you can do.
I said watch me. Not I said I did not say watch you.
It's still raining outside, guys. As you can see, ooh, kilat, my God. Let me check the rain. It's raining. Okay, so it's ready. See, yummy.
Mama.
Your food. So my food is this. It's ready now. So let me
What's that?
Indian food. Amen. Thank you, Davao Biryani. Huh? It's not spicy. And this one,
It's chocolate.
it's the shawarma. So since ako lang kakain, so I will just, bite this shawarma right here.
Where? Can I see?
This one, this shawarma. It's not focused. Why, oh why? There you go. So I'm gonna bite this shawarma. It's chicken shawarma.
Chicken with the chicken inside. Oh, it's not chicken.
Yummy.
How about the spicy chicken? It's so yummy, huh?
That one. Yummy. It's yummy and spicy.
Spicy? Spicy?
That's it.
Ay, di ba
Ulan.
nakalagay?
That's
Kasagaran mo din
mood.
story. Dati na ha.
Champorado.
Saan sudan ma?
Actually, isda. Tuna.
Tuna.
Tuna is a very
Bibip.
best of seal. Because tuna is more vitamins.
Yak.
This is same meat. Yan na yung quiet hadi same meat.
Huh?
Please that same meat. Ha?
Don't.
In quiet hala wala hadi biya di same meat.
No.
Hadi sawi cook oven after.
What are you doing?
Hindi akal hadi. Wala hadi.
Yes, stop it.
Abin hadi? Like this? Arabic. Hindi guli Arabic. Yala guli Arabic.
Gitna.
Wala, hindi halwa. Hindi halwa, Digi.